In this video, I will show you how to insert tables in Google Docs. So click on Insert and here you will see the option Table. Now hover cursor on tables which you need. So select your required table. So this way guys, you can insert tables in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.